Disclaimer, for educational purposes only. This is not a medical recommendation. Ever seen earwax that looks like dry onion skin? That's not about being dirty, it's genetics, dry versus wet earwax. But habits like cotton swabs can pack it deeper and make it worse. That's why some people use those tiny camera tools, so they can actually see what they're doing. Fun fact, earwax isn't the enemy, it's your ear's natural protection. So, are you dry or wet type?